Hey guys, it's Nick here down at Sherwood Dodge. Today I'm showing you a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in diamond black. This one comes powered with the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6, 20-inch blackout rims. It is also equipped with a remote start and keyless entry. If you come over here, you can take a look inside. You'll notice it has blind spot detection, heated suede seats with the black on black interior. It also comes with a heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation, premium sound system with a subwoofer, select terrain 4x4 modes, smart device connection, sunroof, hitch and wiring, backup camera with rear park assist, power liftgate, and MOPAR all-weather floor mats. If anything in here is catching your guys' eye, feel free to give me a call at 403-795-7985 or come on down to Sherwood Dodge and ask for Nick. Thanks guys.